Welcome to the Animature, the Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel. We're still on the H.C.F and the L.C.M. Example 3. What is the H.C.F and L.C.M of numbers 4, 6, and 9? Okay, we know the story. You represent these as prime factors. 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. And then we look for common factor, so we put 2, but there's no 2 in 9. We put 3, but there's no 3 in 4. So you see there's no common factor between 4, 6, and 9. Yeah, so therefore there is no common factor. So we say highest common factor among 4, 6, and 9. So it's not always the case that we'll have a common factor among numbers. Yeah. So this is a typical example that we may not have a common factor, but the common multiple is always there. So what is the lowest common multiple among these three numbers? So we know that we'll have to count the 2 once, okay? And then we'll count these 3 once also, and then all the other ones that are not appearing, so the 2 and then the 3. So the lowest common multiple among 4, 6, and 9, 2 times 3, 6 times 2, 12 times 3 is 36. Like we have done in the previous example, example 2. So we say how many 4s in 36, since we have already written it in terms of the prime factors. So you can see that you can't count these 2. Can't count the 2, so even this 3 will count it once, and then this other 3. So there are 9 4s in 36. Similarly, what about 6? How many 6 in 36? Right? So with the 6, you can't count this 2, right? We count that 1, 2 times. You can't count the 3, you count this 1, 3, 6. So there are 6 6s in 36. We know that 36 is 6 squared anyway. Yeah? And then last but not least, how many 9s in 36? Again, looking at our prime numbers or prime factors. Yeah? So there is a 9. So we can't count this 3. Can't count this 3. Only count these 2 once and count the 2 once. So this 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. So there are 4 9s in 36. That is the beauty of mathematics. Yeah. So please subscribe, like, and share with others. And take note that not all the numbers have got a common factor, but all numbers will have a lowest common multiple. And note also that here we're dealing with natural numbers. Yeah, all of these numbers that I've been dealing with are natural numbers. If you don't know what natural number or prime number is, go to my first video on real number system. Yeah, and thank you for listening.